Hey guys, hope you guys can hear me. Today is July, my phone's in the charger. Anyway, today is July 23rd, right? I'm looking at my iPad. Yeah, July 23rd, Wednesday. I'm officially back from my trip. I wanted to do like a post-vacation type of reset. All I really showed you guys was my, what do you call this? My suitcase when I was taking out my stuff. So a lot of the stuff that I was taking out of the suitcase were already clean because the resort that we stayed in was pretty much like living at home. The only difference is we don't have multiple floors, obviously, like our house, but it was one main floor. We had a kitchen, we had a bathroom. But by the time this drops, I would have already put up the video of how our whole stay looked. I'm actually going to work on editing that after I talk to you guys, but I wanted to do another video. I'm trying to like get back into my content. Now, I would love my channel to grow more, but it's been really slow with growing. Hopefully I can get some new subscribers from my vacation vlogs. That's why I post them, but sometimes that happens, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes I just get really good views on travel vlogs to begin with in general. But anyway, I don't want to spend too much time. It's been quite a few hours since I last picked up the camera. I just kind of wanted to reset today because yesterday, by the time I got home, I didn't want to really do anything but take a shower. But when I came back home, my shower was kind of like dirty to me, so I actually, in the time that I wasn't like filming, I actually cleaned my shower. Then I went to go take a shower, obviously, and then also before that, I just wanted to get all the other stuff tackled before I took a shower because I'm the type of person who like sweats really easily, so I wanted to get that done and then shower. But really quickly, what I want to show you guys as a part of my like resetting, getting back to regular New York City life, because I'm back where I live. I have a whole vlog already on Orlando that I'm gonna, like I said, edit, so I'm not gonna really try to recap too much in this post thing, but I just want to share some of the things that I got. I actually ended up getting a lot of stuff while I was in Orlando. Now, I've been to Orlando like quite a few times now, maybe 5-6 times, maybe more than that, to be very honest with you. I've been there so many times, I can't remember how many, but this was the first year that we did a 2-week vacation, so I was really not home for a long time, so it was like resetting. I remember when I opened my door yesterday, I was just like, it was just like, I know what my room looks like, but it was kind of like out of ordinary type of thing because I was used to being over there. So like back to my environment, it's really different, but at least, you know, I'm back to my room, back to my space. But anyway, really quickly, so we went one of the days. I didn't film everything while I was on vacation, but it's just too much. Holding my camera is a lot. Right now I'm on my higher tripod stand, so I can hold it, but like when you're outside and moving out and about, and like the whole vacation I didn't really bring a bag that was suitable to hold my camera because I have this tripod too, and it's like, yes, you can hold it, but I have to be like this all the time. And then when I'm in stores and stuff like that, it's kind of annoying to be holding your camera and then going through the rack. So realistically, some days I did not bring my camera out for that reason because it was just too much to hold. But so let me get into, we did go to this place called Orlando Premium Outlets. I know I've been there before. You guys can go check them out. I'm pretty sure, like when I went in there, I'm like, I've been here before, but they actually, because it's an outlet mall, everything was priced down in every store we went to, so we were like, oh, this is a deal, this is a bargain. So I ended up leaving with a lot of stuff. And I'll share with some of the stuff. One of the things I don't have, because I think I already put it in my summer clothes because I ended up wearing it while I was on vacation. Actually, 2 of the things, but one of the things I already showed you guys in the Epic Universe video. If you didn't see that Epic Universe video, then you can go check that out, the stuff that I got from Epic Universe. But anyway, so I'm just gonna go through really quickly all the stores that I went to. I have some stuff in my US Open. All of this is souvenirs and things that I bought, so I probably should have just taken all of them out, so then it makes it easier for me to go through everything. Yeah, I know, I got a lot. Okay, this was not a gift. This is something I brought and I never used it, so I'm gonna stop bringing that book because last year I brought it too on my cruise and I never used it. I think that's it. What else is in here? Okay, that's pretty much it. I don't put on anything else. Alright, so let's go through Victoria's Secret really quickly. So the Victoria's Secret is not like the one in New York. That outlet mall was really an outlet. A lot of the things that I got were like priced at $5.99. I think something else was some other price. I don't remember. The bras were like, I think also $5.99. So I got like 3 bras, different types. This is a green one. I'm not gonna go through all of them. A pink one. I looked at the ones that I liked. I really was looking for a black bra, but I could not find a black bra, which was actually very infuriating, in my size, that is. And then I got 2 of these like tops, bra tops type of thing. It's not really a bra, but you gotta wear a bra with it still. But I had a black one, same exact design. I wore it while I was there, so I already put it away because it was washed obviously when we were on vacation, so I don't have that, but I did wear that. Then I went to Hot Topic and I got this Studio Ghibli shirt from Spirited Away. I've actually watched the movie, so I was like, they were having a deal, like I think buy 2 get 1 free or something, or get the third one half off or something. I don't remember the deal, to be honest. Me and each of my siblings got a shirt pretty much that we wanted from that place. All these I'm going to wash, and that's why I didn't put them in drawers or anything. I already showed you guys my stuff that I got from Epic Universe, so in another vlog, so you guys can check that out. Also from Victoria's Secret, I got this bag. I was like, oh my god, this is so cute, I have to get it. It's a Victoria's Secret bag, but I have so many totes, mind you, from Victoria's Secret bag, but this was on sale. It's $14.99. It has these cute like flowers, and it's green and pink. I was like, this is so cute, I have to get it. So I got that. And then, oh, this was Aerie, I think. Yeah, this is Aerie. Yeah, I got these shorts. They were on sale for $5. They were having a deal. And if you ever been to Aerie, like I used to shop at Aerie a long time ago, but I don't shop there as much because I feel like their prices have gone up. But I got these just regular gray shorts. They're like nice and comfortable. And then next, I went to the Ateez concert. I think I might put up a short vlog for you guys, but that will probably be, I'll probably edit that tomorrow, if anything. I really want to focus on editing everything that I filmed on Florida today after I finish talking to you guys. But I went to the Ateez concert. Sorry, it's been 2 days. I can't remember days. It's been 2 days now. I went on Monday in Florida, and just before the night before we were supposed to leave, and I ended up getting this backpack. Did I need more backpacks? Maybe not, but it's so cute. It says in your fantasy. It says for the tour, so I went to the tour, so it's a good memorabilia. It's a black bag, and it says the group's name Ateez on the back. And then I also like that it has a little bag to all your stuff, so this was cute. And then I went to Barnes & Noble because I wanted to add some books to my collection. I actually finished the book that I ended up taking with me. I finished the book, so this book is done. And I can move on to another book. I went to Barnes & Noble initially because there was an Ateez pop-up my sister wanted to go to, and they had it in Barnes & Noble. She went to get the album there. I ended up getting, and then she also ended up getting books too, but I also ended up getting books. So I got 2 of these books, so I'm going to start one of them. I don't know which one first. This was a buy one get one 50% off deal, so my sister got one too. Not the same book, but part of the deal. This is Curvy Girl Summer. I got this one, and then I also got this book called Kennedy Ryan Can't Get Enough. If there's one thing you guys haven't noticed about me, I like to support like black authors or black type of things. I do read from other races, obviously, but if I normally see those like videos, type of romance, funny, I like those stuff. I also like mystery, but I couldn't find any good mystery books that I liked, so that's why I didn't get any mystery books. I ended up getting like romance or something like that, or funny things. And then this I just bought because I might go before this year's over, the summer is over, I'm sorry. I want to do something water related, I don't know yet. So I was like, let me get another one of these pouches. I got it from Walmart. We don't have the Walmart's close here in New York, so I was like, while we're in Walmart, I might as well get it. And it was not a lot of money, just to hold on to my phone if I go into like a water thing or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much all the stuff. So I'm gonna stop talking now, so I could clear this bed up, put things to wash. I'm not gonna wash yet, but I'm gonna put them in dirty clothes so I can clear my bed, so I can actually sit on my bed. But that's all the things I pretty much got. So yeah, I think that's gonna be the end of this video. I just wanted to do a quick recap on vacation, what I got. It was overall good 2 weeks. but I'm actually happy to be back. Oh, also what I got, something else I forgot. In the concert I got this Outlaw bracelet. So if you've ever been to a K-pop concert, there's always people who make things and they give them out. So this is not the first bracelet I've got. I have another bracelet from NCT 127 as well. I went to the flea market and I got this Hello Kitty. I don't know if you guys can see it. Bracelet from the flea market. And then I love henna, so I got a henna thing. It's probably not gonna last probably till next week, but I didn't film the actual design. This is what it looks like, if you guys can see. And then on the side she wrote my name in Arabic, but you guys can't really see. But that's all the things I think. So anyway, this is pretty short. I didn't film me clean my bathroom. I didn't film me like putting my stuff away because it was in the garage, and my garage is not really aesthetically pleasing, so I just wanted to put my clothes in the bin and be done. All I have left is really my toiletries, but honestly, all these stuff, I have extra of them, so I most likely will save majority of it for the next vacation. The only thing I might take out is this lotion, because my other face lotion I just used almost done. But other than that, everything else probably will be saved for my next vacation, because all these stuff I have stocked. And I might take the witch hazel out too. I bought a new witch hazel when I was in Dollar Tree because I couldn't fit all my stuff. I'm surprised I even fit everything in here. Yesterday I was struggling. Yesterday morning fitting all these stuff so that I can get in my suitcase so I can get back home. Luckily I was scared my thing was going to be overweight, but it was still maximum weight. That was actually less by like, I think what mine was like 44. And you know, if you've traveled, it has to be at least 50 or they're going to charge you extra. So I was still in the clear. I was actually scared if it was going to be too much, but overall it was good. So that was good. I've never actually had an issue where it's been over, to be honest. So, but anyway, I forgot one more thing, so we're gonna edit this in there somewhere. I got some new sneakers from Nike from the outlet mall as well. They were having a deal too, like I think was it 60-70% off. So I got this on a deal. I did need more, like another set of sneakers for walking, because I've been wearing my Vermeero ones like to the death. I also like my Jordans, but the thing with Jordans is I have feet that, like, if I walk for a long time I'll start hurting. My knees starting to hurt. I'm not getting to the age. So I was looking specifically for like good walking shoes. So I got these. They're a nice color. They have like a little bit of pink, yellow, and like I only bought one sneaker. Mind you, I saw people going crazy in there. And I noticed a lot of people who were there were like definitely vacationing, because they had their suitcases and then they would throw out the boxes. I saw a lot of Nike boxes. I saw Adidas boxes, because Adidas was also having a sale in the trash brands in the mall, because everybody, I guess, was like, oh, this is a good deal. They bought a suitcase, put all their stuff in the suitcase to take it back home. So I thought that was actually really funny that a lot of people were shopping and just putting it in the box. But yeah, that's it. We're gonna add this somewhere in the video, because I totally forgot. I looked down and I was like, oh, I didn't show you guys the sneakers that I got as well. But yeah, that's it. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell next to subscribe so you're notified